Just to recap, 40% from windshield tint, 20% in the backs, you can still see kind of in through the back. Alright, here it looks from the inside. %. Natural nighttime light from the street lamps up there somewhere. And then 20%. Look at that light. No tint. 40%. Here's a comparison. Kinda. All the windows roll down.
Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired. Fight.
Alright, so if anything, it's kind of dark, but your eyes will adapt to it. It's like driving with sunglasses on all night, but you'll get used to it. Took me a couple days to get used to it, but it's worth it. 40%. Freeway driving POV. Okay, my only advice for this is turn down all your screen's brightness to like the lowest possible setting, because if it's dark, it's gonna be hella glare. Well, in the camera you can't see it, but like there's like some glare, but not as much if I put it full blast. You know, yeah, just have it at the lowest setting possible, and then you will have like no glare from the reflection of the light, and you should be good. I would recommend this. 40% is probably good. If I would do it again, maybe do 35%, but that's kind of pushing it. But yeah, depends on your taste. Here's some city driving with lights coming in. My windows roll down. Here's some residential driving. Very big difference. 100%. On camera, it looks darker than what it is in person. I am recording on the iPhone XS Max, so I'm not sure how it's like picking up, but on camera it looks way darker than in person.